Hello and thanks for joining us. Great to have your company on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly and you're watching The Buzzing Trends. In the federal budget for 21-22, a special focus was given to the agenda of making Australia a digital economy. The country's federal government decided to shell a decent 8.33% of its entire digital budget worth of $1.2 billion in the quest to make Australian tech workers future ready. The government also committed to devote $124.1 million from its digital budget on AI, including a National Artificial Intelligence Centre led by CSIRO Data 61. All these steps and many more are likely to bolster the business of tech companies in the long run. So with that said, let's have a look at a few tech stocks that are expected to notch up substantial gains in the near future. Number one is Temple & Webster Group Limited, which is an e-commerce company that has certainly seen strong adoption since the COVID-19 came along, and more importantly, its growth hasn't fizzled out even after the pandemic restrictions were lifted. In the financial year 21, it saw revenue growth of 85% to $326.3 million, while financial year 22 has seen a continuing of high levels of double-digit growth. For the period of the 1st of July to the 27th of August, revenue had increased by 49%. A conspicuous shift in consumer shopping behaviour coupled with strong trading over the second half of the financial year to date has prompted the company to double down on its strategy to cash in on what's being considered a once-in-a-generation shift from offline to online. This will require the company to invest in both short and long-term growth initiatives. Number two on our list is Whispir Limited, another tech share to watch. It's a software as a service communications workflow platform provider. The company offers an innovative software platform that aids businesses and governments to make actionable two-way interactions at a large scale using automated multi-channel communication workflows. Demand has increased strongly, leading to robust recurring revenue in recent years. The same was evident in the company earnings update for the quarter of financial year 22, with annualized recurring revenue increasing 31.8% year-on-year to $56.8 million. Management has advised that this reflects on the global megatrends of digitization and the digital transformation, which are supporting an increase in demand for telecommunications intelligence. Whispir affirmed its guidance for the financial year 2022 and continues to expect ARR of $65.4 million to $70 million. This represents a year-on-year growth of 22% to 31%. And number three on our list is Symbio, which is previously known as MNF Group, a lesser-known ASX-listed tech company. It has a niche in voice over internet protocol, which is used to support services like digital data transfers, online business meetings, and teleconferencing. MNF Group looks well positioned for growth over the near future, owing to a number of favourable tailwinds. These includes initiatives like the work from home and NBN rollout. The company is also expanding to the Asian market and is currently looking at a further 6 markets in that region. This should boost further recurring revenue growth in the coming years. Thankfully, the company has been observing a solid share price growth over the past year, and it changed its name to Symbio Holdings, reflecting its refreshed strategy to build a world-class software company. Well, that's all for now on the Buzzing Trends, but we'll be back with more of the Buzzing Trends today on the latest market insights with you. Till then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy-related hot trends. Holly Shields signing off.